escape to a serene and private oasis in this charming chalet-style home sits on a stunning 61 plus acre property in the countryside, just 15 minutes from downtown. This charming home features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The property's picturesque landscape includes a concrete circle drive, detached garage, storage shed, and dry pond area, surrounded by 3 acres of cleared land and 58 acres of wooded terrain, perfect for farming, hunting, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet. This lovely property is a rare find. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.